Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this account. And in this video, let's talk to you about how to switch to the creator account in the Instagram app. Don't forget friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write comments. Well, let us be with you friends. Let's get started and open up the Instagram app please. Next you will need to, friends, switch to your account. Here on the top right-hand side, click on the three bars. This will open up your settings and activity. Next, please scroll down to the bottom and you will need to find an option called for professionals and account types. Please click on this option. Now switch to professional account. Click on Next. Now the next step. Please select your account type. Yes, that is the main idea that your account will carry. It can be blogger, photographer, community, games, and so on. Choose. Now switch to professional account. And in the next step, please leave the creator. Now next. And now you will need to fill in some steps. These steps you can fill out basically at any absolutely moment, so it's not that important. Now when you go back to your account, you'll see that in the profile header, you'll see that there's a box like this, which is responsible for your creator account. And this is where you can see your account stats. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.